Hi, my name is Shilpa Mehta Jain. I have been suffering from polio since my childhood, and I have been born and brought up in Bombay. I finished my education also in Bombay. I'm a CA, MBA, MCom. All throughout my life, I have worked in various corporates, and after that, worked in couple of family managed businesses also. My last stint was with Vedanta as the deputy CEO for their medical operations. After that, now I'm looking to start my own business, which would be about waste management. The reason why I thought of starting my own business is to, help other people like me to live a life of dignity and respect. And apart from this, me and my husband also run a NGO called Jet Foundation, wherein we do a lot of work related to environment, entrepreneurship, livelihood, women, girls empowerment, and education. Been suffering from polio since I was 2 months old. So right throughout that, I had a lot of challenges both physically and from the society. I mean, while I'm talking about 40 years back when people used to look down upon girls, and especially somebody who's suffering from polio, and I come from a very conservative society also. So every time it was like बिचारी है लड़की है पोलियो है what is she going to do. And apart from that, I also had health related issues also. Like I couldn't walk, I had to wear a caliper, and because of wearing a caliper, people used to look at me in a differently. Like I was not as normal as the other kids in school or in society, and people used to look down upon me. So that is when I decided that I will study and become independent, and do something in life so that anybody and everybody who's related to me should be proud about me, as well as see other people. They should have so much to talk about me that they forget that I am suffering from polio also. I'm almost 45. So now, there is something called as sports polio syndrome, wherein, I mean, every human body, as we age, the muscles start weakening, the bones start weakening. And in case of polio patient, it is even more faster. So fundamentally, the most biggest challenge which we face is in walking. So I have to wear the caliper. So I ensure that I try to do a lot of leg related exercises. And primarily the reason why I learned swimming is because for us to do any leg related exercise is very difficult because we cannot stand, right? But swimming is one exercise where I can work with my legs, because in water your body is little bit lighter. So there you can do lot of work related exercises. So I ensure that I go for swim every single day. I do my workout every single day. I have a trainer coming home who teaches me how to just make myself body more stronger, more strength related training. I try to manage my diet, focus on what I eat, how I live. So lot of things I do that way, so that like as per doctors I am suffering from 94% disability. But today I am independent. I travel alone, I swim, I drive a two-wheeler, I drive a four-wheeler. I go to my office and walk independently, so much so that I do not even use a wheelchair. My father laid the foundation, and my husband has helped me build that building. He has helped me do all the adventure related activities. I have gone for trekking, parasailing, paragliding, you name it, and I would have done all the adventure activities thanks to him. So, nowhere, we ever think that will I be able to do any activity. It's just that we always keep on thinking how we do it. So all the people around me have been my sources of strength. Everybody has played, their part at different stages of my life. So thanks to them, today, whatever independent or life I am living with respect and dignity is because of all these all people. But more importantly, it's because of my father and my husband.